Hi guys, Patrick from Wrestling Nerds here. Yeah, it's Wrestlecrate Day, but well, it's not Wrestlecrate Day because I'm about a week late. So kind of going to explain it before I go and pick it up. I wasn't home when the parcel was delivered. I missed it, didn't realise. So yeah, I'm off now to go pick it up. Just finished work. Lucky enough, it's only around the corner from where I work. So modern. Problem solved. It's a week late. I do apologise. I've, other stuff's been coming up and, sorting other things out and personal life and, we'll get to it. We're going to do it properly, do it quick. And I just thought I'd just explain to you guys, I know a lot of people start watching again. And, you probably start waiting. But, if you subscribe, you'll get the notification. Like, it's finally done it a week too late. But yeah, it's going to be done. It's going to be there. We'll see you guys when I pick it up. Bye. So guys, just want to say thanks for staying with me. I know it's not quick as usual, but we're going to get it done quickly as we usually do. So here it is. Now last month's Wrestlecrate, because like I say, it's the 1st of July. First thing I can see, t-shirt, where I'm on now. Jummy is one of my new favourite t-shirts, this one. Here we go. I have to look at it that way because of the angling. That's pretty cool, obviously. Tribute to In Your House, obviously. Big part of wrestling growing up, for me anyway. Being a child, obviously, they were what pay-per-views were originally called before you get your Backlash and everything like that. It was literally called In Your House 1, In Your House 2. Obviously, wrestling nerds know you only used to get like the big 4 pay-per-views. So, next up we get the pin badge, which is the Undertaker's hearse. Chase edition on the back is a silver one. Pretty darn cool. I need to do some more pin badges. I want to display them or something, but I don't get around to it. Code for EPW, little trial thing. Use EPW Crate for 1 month free subscription. So guys, if you're watching, not got a crate, use mine. If it's not different, everyone that watches it has not got a crate. A month on that. Obviously the sticker. DVD. Daniel Bryanson. Yeah, Bryan Danielson. Obviously it's stuff before WWE, but there's a picture of Punk and him on the back in WWE. Is Punk on that? Yes, he is. No. Got AJ Styles match versus Jamoto. I basically saw that. Yeah, WWE event. Nottingham. Probably, I think it was the last time I was in Nottingham. And it was Daniel Bryan when he returned, not long after he returned. Then it was AJ and it was Samoa Joe, and it was a three-way and it was great. So I wonder if it's the same match, because a lot of guys when they tend to wrestle house shows to kind of do matches we've done before. We've got Zoe Lucas, Mel Buffer. Thanks Wrestlecrate. What else we got? Comic. Yeah. That's pretty neat. So it's basically just pictures, and then it's a Wrestlecrate, obviously like it's comic wrestling with real pictures, so that's pretty cool. And then we got fucking up Joe Hendry, the local hero. Got to see him at WCPW event. I'm actually in that event. If you watch it at the end of the match, WCPW, if you go back and watch it, you will see me get gradually drunk through the show. It is actually one of these things. It was like I'm normal, I'm drinking, and then I end up with some John Morrison glasses from somewhere, and then I end up like not trying to start fights, but I kind of trying to get that thing where wrestlers, you get a wrestler to argue with you, but they weren't having it. My brother and Aaron have got knocked out by Will Osprey. True story. And then the next print is Ken Shamrock, the one that I did want. I think he was a legend growing up, obviously UFC as well, so that's pretty cool. And then the catalogue. Let's make sure we've got everything. Now that's everything, and obviously next month, well this month, now for me, obviously is one of a kind, Rob Van Dam. So guys, I've kind of humbled on a bit, but I kind of just want to say thank you for, you know, watching, doing what you do. You know, I just enjoy doing these crates. Don't really, you know, I'm not one of these guys that's like, you know, I'm not doing it for the views. I'm not doing it for Wrestlecrate to say, hey, do you want, you know, stuff. I'm not. I want Wrestlecrate to go and succeed. So, you know, if I enjoy something, I'm gonna promote it on YouTube. And, you know, and do these unboxings and that. So guys, I'm going to thank you again for watching. I will see you all in the near future, which will probably either be another unboxing video, maybe trying some food, or, you know me, it's random, but coffee update will be coming. If you guys follow me for that stuff as well, but coffee will be coming in the next 2 to 3 weeks maybe. It's just I'm trying to finalise. I'm just more waiting on the next update from the government, but we'll get into that later time. So guys, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed, obviously, if you want all your Wrestlecrate updates and stuff, subscribe. There's a playlist on the channel. Just go onto my playlist. There's a Wrestlecrate channel. You can just go through every Wrestlecrate I've done. So guys, thanks for watching. See you later. I've been Patrick. I've been Wrestling News. Bye.